Engineer, wake up!
Yes?
I know this might sound crazy, but do you want to chill with me?
Sure. I don't see why not.
Thanks, mate! So, what do you have going this week?
I was thinking about going to the movies to see the Minecraft movie on Friday.
I heard of that movie! Some say it was terrible, but on the other hand, it's actually good. Oh! Did you hear that?
It sounds like an ice cream truck.
Let's go and check it out!
But what do you think it is?
I don't know. I haven't heard or seen an ice cream truck in 10 years.
Well, let's just follow it and see where it goes. It's actually getting loud.
This is hurting my bloody ears.
Just keep going. I knew it.
Engineer, you were right. It was an ice cream truck making all this noise. But wait, there's nobody in it. Ah, creep! Holy shit, that was close!
What the hell was his problem?
Did you not see that there was nobody driving the ice cream truck? Driven by it, something you clearly saw it trying to kill us.
You're saying it's possessed?
Yes! So we need to destroy that truck before it attacks us again.
I wonder if Soldier can help us?
So what do you maggots want?
So me and Engineer were just hanging out until we heard an ice cream truck, so we decided to take a look.
And then it tried to run us over.
No worries. I eat ice cream trucks like him for breakfast. Bring it on, you son of a bitch!
Thank God, we didn't die from that crazy ice cream truck.
How do you like those apples, you ice cream menace? Now that's over. Let's go and celebrate.
Yippee! So bloody lootly.